Hello friend, welcome to my channel Techie. In this video, we will guide you through how to fix blurry screen and font text in Windows 11. If your text on your Windows computer looks blurry, fuzzy, or difficult to read, or slightly out of focus, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by display scaling settings, font rendering settings, or Windows display configuration. So let's start with the quickest solution first. Now let's go to your Windows search bar and type adjust ClearType text and click on it. Make sure that ClearType is turned on. Then you have to click on next. Then again click on next. Now in the screen you can see text sample that looks best to you, and there will be 5 options. First, I'm clicking the first one, which is clear. Then click on next. After that, I'm clicking on again first one for next. Then I'm clicking on the first one again and then click next. In the fourth option, I'm clicking the last one, then clicking on the next. And again, I'm clicking on the last one for fifth option and click on next. And now I'm clicking on finish. ClearType is a built-in Windows feature that improves the way text is displayed on LCD and LED screen. In many cases, simply configuring ClearTyping can noticeably improve font clarity. The ClearType has been configured. Now we have to press Windows plus R and the Run dialog box is open. Now we have to type sysdm.cpl and press enter. Then a box will open and we have to click on advanced. In performance option, there is a button settings. Click on that. A new window will open and you have to check there is an option called smooth edges of screen fonts. It should be tick mark. Other options will be tick or not. It doesn't matter, but this option should be ticked. Then press OK and again press OK. After checking that, we have to verify our display settings. So let's go to start. To do this, we have to go to settings. So now press Windows plus I. Then you have to click on system. Then click on display. In scale and layout section, check scale. It should be 100%, which is recommended by Windows. And then display resolution, you have to choose recommended option by Windows, and in here you can see it is 1920 into 1080. And display orientation, it should be landscape. Our display resolution is okay. As you can see, our scale and layout settings are okay. If the text is still appears blurry after trying everything so far, we move on to a more advanced solution using Windows Registry. So again go to search and type registry and then you open Registry Editor. A message will pop up for confirmation and you have to press yes. For security purpose, you have to take a backup of registry. So you have to click on File, then click on Export, then select Desktop and give a file name. I'm giving the file name Backup and press Save button. After taking the backup, now you have to double click on H key current user. Then you have to double click on control panel. Then you have to double click on desktop. Now in the right side you have to scroll down and find Windows Win 8 DPI scaling. Now double click on this option and the value date will be 1 and then press OK. Now right click on any empty space and a box will pop up and select dword 32-bit and give the file name log pixels. Be remember L and P will be capital letter. Then double click on log pixels and the value data will be 78 and press OK. Now after doing this, you have to restart your PC. Hopefully, after doing all these settings, your problem will be solved. So friend, you can try this at home in your PC and let me know your feedback. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. That's all for today, friend. Thank you, take care and goodbye.